it's Desi. Today I'm making a quick, easy, delicious recipe for pork chops with a delicious Asian glaze. Let me show you the recipe. I used 3 pork chops for this recipe. While the pork chops were defrosting and were almost defrosted, I put a teaspoon of baking soda in with a little bit of warm water, and look how tender these are. So I learned that from cooking with Lau and tried it once and it came out so delicious. So I'm gonna try it again with my new recipe. So I always like to do a base seasoning of adobo for all of my seasoning, for all my meat, which is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So again with the adobo. I turned my pork chops at the 8-minute mark. That's what my air fryer told me to do. While the pork chops are cooking, I'm going to make a quick glaze with 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That's my new favorite sweetener. It gives it a nice dimension, but you could use brown sugar or whatever is your favorite sweetener. I used a half a teaspoon of jarred garlic and a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper. Mix it and taste it and adjust the seasonings to your liking. If you like it spicy, add some more cayenne pepper. I added the glaze on and put it back in the air fryer for another 2 minutes. I found that actually wasn't necessary. It didn't make the glaze thicker or make it adhere into the meat. So I think next time you could just add it at the end of your cooking and use it as a delicious dipping sauce. That's the way I love to eat it. I added some glaze on my broccoli as well and made another batch just to have for dipping. Doesn't that look delicious? Did you know in Asia they don't use knives at the dinner table? That's why in the Philippines they'll give you a fork and a spoon, and in the other Asian countries they use chopsticks. That's why you see their food in little bite-sized pieces. I hope you love this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.